This is not a Leslie 910 post. I've got multiple projects going on at the same time. This is a Roberts reel-to-reel, and it worked for about 10 minutes, and I realized it had a bad motor run capacitor. This is the motor run capacitor right here with the values 2 and 0.8 microfarads at 300 working volts. And I have figured out that electric fan capacitors for ceiling fans work great as substitutions for similar values. I've fixed multiple reel-to-reels this way, and power this dude on and get that going, and let's see if we can do something.